The kind of chicken burger you can make anytime, but still feels like a treat every single time. Hi, I am Atasham, a proud Pakistani culinary artist. Let's start by filleting your chicken breast. You can use a chicken breast for a clean cut, thigh for more juiciness. Fillet your chicken breast as depicted in the next steps. Each patty would be around 100 grams. Use the back of your knife to even out the chicken and make it even tender. Now in your fillet chicken, add a teaspoon of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of tikka masala, a teaspoon of cooking oil, and the most important ingredient, raw papaya paste. Tikka masala and raw papaya paste slays with flavor, maintaining the tenderness and juiciness of the chicken. Massage your chicken with the mix thoroughly. Now finish up with a lemon squeeze. Cover your chicken and marinate for 30 minutes or ideally overnight. This step gives you depth, tenderness, and flavor without overcomplication. Now the crunch coat. In a big bowl, dump all-purpose flour, while on the other hand, prepare some ice-cold water. Coat each chicken piece into the flour thoroughly. Now dip the chicken in cold water, let the excess drip off, then coat again in flour. The key tip here is to apply gentle pressure against the flour. This method builds those crispy, flaky edges. Shake off the excess flour, heat some oil. It is supposed to be moderately hot. Before dropping your chicken off in the oil, swing it. This will develop some flakes. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes each side. Papaya paste made the chicken so tender that it keeps falling apart. Now finally, toast a bun, some mayo, add some lettuce, your chicken fillet, cheese on the top while it's still hot, chili garlic, and a bun over it. Press gently to lock the layer. Serve hot with french fries. If you want to take it further, double the patties, double the crunch, double